Are you truly saying the right words when you stand before your Creator? Do you find your mind wandering, struggling to find that stillness, that Khushu you so desperately crave? The Prophet ﷺ told us that Salah is the mirage of the believer. It is our own spiritual ascension, our direct bridge to the divine. But how can we ascend if our prayer feels like a chore rather than a connection? Ramadan is a month of transformation. But the transformation doesn't start with the fasting. It starts right here on our prayer mat. If we want our Ramadan to be different this year, we must fix our connection with the Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala first. I am Ustazah Zainab Tariq, and I am starting a special series to help us reclaim our prayer before the holy month begins. Join me on this journey as we go step by step through the beauty and the precision of Salah. It's time to stop just performing the prayer and start experiencing it. Let's make our Namaz our Miraj together. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss a single part of this transformation.